Gotcha, Galloway. Welcome to Scotland.
Yes, welcome to Scotland.
We've arrived here in southern Ayrshire.
Where we had a fantastic journey up here, stopping halfway up at Exelby. A fantastic meal in the pub.
Yeah, a community-owned pub, the Green Dragon. Very, very nice food.
Yeah, really good chef, yeah. So mainly A1, etc., dual carriageway, so filmed a little bit, not much. But yeah, we're here for a while.
Yeah, we're here for quite a while, so jump in with us and let's go explore.
Well, we're in Glentrool Visitor Centre. And
standing on a slope to make myself look taller.
yeah, we're going to have a bit of lunch and then have a walk around.
Yeah. Thank you very much, lovely. Thanks. Nice.
Very nice.
Wow, look at that.
Well, that stroll has turned into a bit of a walk. We've taken the yellow route round Glentrool and we're only halfway round. We've been up and over the hill and now we're heading back along by the river.
Yeah,
so
fantastic views, absolutely beautiful.
All the moss and the ferns.
All the moss and the ferns, lovely.
Yeah. Unfortunately, no wildlife photographs yet, though.
No, we have seen bullfinch and butterflies and things, but I haven't got any photos yet.
No, so maybe along by the river. We'll see. So let's head off down by the river.
That was a lovely walk.
Round Glentrool, a little bit further than we thought.
Yes, takes a little bit longer when you want to photograph things.
Yeah, but what do we see?
We saw bullfinch, we saw wood warbler and heard it singing as well, which was really nice.
Don't ask me, I rely on Merlin. So back to the combination now and
yeah, get a cup of tea and relax and
we'll catch up
head
to
out
you.
again tomorrow.
We'll see you then. In between the showers, we've stopped off at the Wild Goat Park in Dumfries and Galloway, near Newton Stewart. And to say it's disappointing,
I don't think it was disappointing because I got to feed 2 goats and I really like goats.
so 2 came, took your apple, and have now gone.
Went on their merry way, and that was that.
And these goats are...
So they're primitive goats, so they were kept by the Celts and the Vikings and the Saxons, and so they roam pretty wild. They're really tough, really hardy animals.
So they've gone on their merry way, which is what we're going to do now.
Okay, let's.
So we'll see you at the next stop. Our next stop was the Wood of Cree, an RSPB site with plenty of walks, wildlife, wildflowers, woodland, and of course waterfalls. So that was the Wood of Cree, fantastic place.
Absolutely spectacular waterfalls, amazing to
Yeah.
see.
And the woodland with all the moss.
Yeah, gorgeous.
Yeah, and we saw a wood warbler as well. So
Yeah, saw it and heard it singing.
yeah, so yeah, we're going to leave this video here, and we're in Scotland for a bit longer yet.
Yeah.
So
So we'll see you on the next one.
catch up to you later. See you soon.